Hi! In this circuit, we use the components like the push buttons and buzzer along with the power indicator circuit we built earlier. Let's build this circuit in Tinkercad and simulate it. We will first build the power supply circuit, which is common for all our projects. Let's draw the components mentioned on the circuit diagram seen earlier. So, we will draw the USB standard A connector, LED red, and resistor of value 1 kilo ohms. We will connect as follows. The 5-volt positive of the USB to the terminal 2 of the resistor. This is the positive line, so we shall select the wire color red, terminal 1 of the resistor to the anode of the LED, cathode of the LED to the ground of the USB connector. This is negative line, so we shall select the wire color black. We will now complete the rest of the circuit, for which we shall draw the push buttons and the buzzer from the component library and wire them as follows. Terminal 2B of the push button 1 to the terminal 2 of the resistor. Terminal 1A of the push button 1 to the positive of the buzzer. Negative of the buzzer to the cathode of the LED. Terminal 1B of the push button 2 to the terminal 1A of the push button 1. Terminal 2A of the push button 2 to the positive of the buzzer. We have now completed the circuit. Let's start the simulation. Glowing red LED indicates the circuit is powered, but the buzzer is not sounding as the circuit is open. When we push this button 1 and close the circuit, the buzzer sounds. When we release the push button again, the circuit is open and the buzzer does not sound. When we push this button 2 and close the circuit, the buzzer sounds. When we release the push button, again, the circuit is open and the buzzer does not sound. This is OR logic. The buzzer will sound when either the push button 1 or push button 2 or both are pressed. This is how OR logic works in real life. This circuit has many applications. A few examples could be staff bells, passenger bells, and so on. You can now build your own circuit, download the image file, and submit in the assignment. Circuit explanation. In this project, current flows in 2 closed paths. The path 1 is a power indicator circuit seen earlier in Project 1. When powered up, the red LED glows, indicating that the circuit is powered. When either of the push button is pressed, current flows from the positive 5-volt terminal of the USB through either of the push buttons, through the buzzer to ground, negative, completing the path 2 and forming a closed circuit, and the buzzer sounds. Also, when you press both the push button, the current flows through them simultaneously, then to the buzzer, so the buzzer sounds. When no push button is pressed, there is no current flow, and so the buzzer does not emit sound. Have fun! Cheers!